Hi guys, in this video I will compare HyperOS 1.0 and 1.5 global version. What is new? Subscribe my YouTube channel technosmart. Let's go! This update HyperOS 1.5. What is new? Many optimized and new feature. This smartphone Poco X6 Pro 5G. What is new? HyperOS 1.0. Last version 1.0 security patch May 2024. HyperOS 1.5 July and August 2024. And a new optimization, control center, optimization memory, new animation, quickly startup animation and quickly run application, control center, work optimization, lock screen new feature, security optimization, status bar and notification. Set lock screen 1.5 click and customization quick set. 1.5 HyperOS no work, last update work. Set lock screen, old version update, I need main menu, settings, wallpaper and lock style. New update, click and set lock style. Next feature HyperOS 1.5 left right 1.0. Edit photo, crop. New update, add AI expansion. Click start, wait, time, finish it. Old version, new version. AI expansion. Next new feature, create, old update, create, erase, and 1.5 erase version Pro, manually and for settings. Testing manually, start, AI function, next feature gallery, top right, function 1.0, function 1.5. Example video effects, start video and add new feature. AI portrait, create AI portrait and function AI. New update feature security, battery, mode performance, balanced, battery saver, ultra battery saver, old feature, charging option, standard and top speed, and battery protection, regular optimized charging and nighttime protection. New feature charging options, old version, security, battery, charging option, no variant. Additional feature and update function Game Turbo, run, settings, activate in-game shortcut, add game, play, top panel, variant Wild Boost, balanced and Wild Boost AI performance, and unchanged visual. For variant real-time work. And new feature, unchanged touch controls. Free variant optimized touch controls. New feature update security version, new version. Download my Telegram technosmart, link will be in the info box. Download, run and testing for smartphones Xiaomi, Redmi and Poco. New performance 1. HyperOS and HyperOS 1.5. New performance smartphone. Next feature, display and brightness, sunlight mode, HyperOS 1.5 and 1.0, testing, 1.5 activate, work, and 1.0 no work, testing. Next feature, advanced texture, know this smartphone, Poco X6 Pro, Poco F6 Pro, yes, activate, testing, blur, maximal and deactivate, minimal, flagship function, and function AI image. One variant optimizate resolution, next variant AI optimization, HDR optimization, add additional frames to video. How new video? Write a comment, subscribe my YouTube channel Technosmart, see you and new videos.